L-operat tal-kumpanija RS2 f'Għawdex mistenni jibda fi żmien xarejn. Dan wara li f'Novembru li għadda beda x-xogħol fuq is-sit li nstab bl-għajnuna tal-Gvern. Li x-xogħol miexi b'ritmu tajjeb ikkonfermah il-kap eżekuttiv tal-kumpanija Radi El-Ħaġ li esprima wkoll sodisfazzjon għal fatt li l-kumpanija diġà attirat impjegati ta' kwalità.
We believe that Gozo will be an excellent place for us to expand our business and offer other services which we currently not offering out of Malta, and I think it was a very good decision to go there. We will be opening the offices very shortly. I mean, within the next two months we should be up and running there, and I think we have attracted a couple of good resources to join us in the new offices.
Fil-laqgħa ġenerali annwali tagħhom RS2 ħabbru li fis-sena 2014 il-kumpanija għamlet qlieħ ta' 15 miljun u 200,000 euro. Żieda ta' kważi 8% fuq is-sena ta' qabel. Mistoqsi dwar ħidmet l-RS2 f'pajjiżna, El-Ħaġ der sodisfatt.
With the talent which we have on the island in Malta, I think we are able to service a lot of countries worldwide and a lot of regions as well. Nevertheless, we need also to expand from here to be to other regions in the world. As you know, we are an international company, but our base and our core is always in Malta and will stay in Malta.